Introduction. The internet has been become vast marketplace where millions of people use their knowledge and experience to make money online. As at the start of 2019, there were more than 1.9 billion websites on the internet. For someone trying to enter into an online business, this can be rather intimidated. If you want to stand out from their increasingly crowding market, then you have to find your niche. The key first step that you need to take when creating a successful online business is to understand how to find a profitable niche market. If you want to build a successful online business and make money online, then you have to identify a niche market that you can create your business around. The good news is that there are literally millions of niche markets that you can choose. Find a niche market is easy, but finding a profitable one can be bit more challenging. While there are many profitable niches that you can pursue online when you are just starting out, you will often run into various challenges. The biggest problem that you will face is finding a profitable niche. While there are other aspects beside profitable that you need to consider when finding a niche market, making money online is the entire entire reason you have decided to start online business in the first place. There are, however, other things that you need to evaluate to ensuring that you are successful with online business. Here are five secrets that will ensure you find a profitable niche for your online business. 1. Consider your passion. Along with finding a profitable niche market, you also have to consider your skill and what you are passionate about. If you want to start a successful online business, finding a niche that you are passionate about will fill you it with excitement, give you the motivation to the get every morning and focus your brain business. Being passionate about what you are selling will also help you get through challenging and setback. Finding success with your online business doesn't always come easy, and you have to find a way to work through the unbearable day if you want to see result. If you are passionate about your own niche, you will make it a point to find way to invest future and grow your business into something that you take pride in. Being passionate about what you are doing will keep you interesting and excited to the continue working day in day out. This may be something that you have already done, but if you have not already considered what you are passionate about, take some time to make a list of the top 10 areas that you are passionate about and top topical interesting that you have. You don't have to find a perfect fit, you just need to identify some aspect of running the business that you are passionate about if you want to stick with it. If you don't care about the topic changes or you want to be able to find the drive you need to preserve when going to through. If you're if you're having problem identify your passion and interesting, consider the following. What you do look forward to doing when you are not doing it. What topic do you like to learn about? What your are you for favorite books to read? Do you subscribe to specific magazine? Do you belong to any organizations or clubs? Finding the answer to this question should help you narrow down your top 10 passion area and local interest. 2. Identify problems that you can solve. Once you have identified your top 10 passion area and local interested, you can start to narrow down your options. If you want to create a maintain a profitable business, then you need to determine what problem your target audience is experiencing and find a unique way to solve those problems. You can start the process by considering the issue you face in your your own life and see there is solution to those problems online. Take a look at your list of passion and consider whether or not there is problem that you continuously face in regard to those passion. If you discover a consistency problem within your passion, then you can down your needs. If not, here are some other ways that you can identify the issue that your target audience is experiencing. The best way to identify problem within a niche is to sit down and have a conversation with your target audience. You can do this several different ways. You can form a focus group to discuss the problem that your target market is experiencing or have one conversation with them. You want to make sure that you create a find a framework for asking those questions that will help you to uncover specific pain point. If you are not able to meet directly with your target audience, you might want to consider using online survey sites like SurveyMonkey to reach your target audience. Another way, what you identify the pain point of your target audience is by pressuring forms square of the find formats that you are related to your niche idea. Go through the discussion in the talking place within the forms and determine what question people are asking and see if you figure out what problem they are having. Finally, you can reach keywords that are related to your niche idea. You can use Google's Ads Keyword Planner and Google Trends to help you uncover popular search terms that are related to specific pain point within your niche idea. 3. Analyze the competition. While you may have been hoping that you had discovered a niche that no one else know about, the chances of that happening are highly unlikely. That means that you will have competition, which is not necessarily a bad thing. Typical when a niche has competition, it means that there is money to be made within that niche. To ensure that will be able to cover a section of the niche for your online business, you need to make sure that you do thorough competitive analysis of competing sites. Start by creating a spreadsheet at least all of the competing sites that you discover. You can find competing site by typing in the keyword of perhaps for your niche idea into the Google search bar. Once you have a list of the competing site, then you need to figure out if there is still an opportunity for you to stand out from the crowd. You want to ask the following questions. Can you still rank for the keyword and phrases that you have identified for your niche idea? Are you able to identify yourself from the crowd and create a unique offer? Here are some ways that you can still enter the niche market even if it is a competitive market. You can easily outrank the competition in a niche if the other business area creating low quality content. If the competition has a lack of transparency, you can disprove the niche by creating any authentic and transparent presence in a niche where other business are overall corporate and faceless. Finally, if you have found a keyword or phrase that has high search volume but low competition and paid advertising, there is the opportunity for you to offset the niche market. 4. Research the niche's profitable. 4. Research the niche's profitability. You may be able to start narrowing down your list of niche topic to a few that you feel pretty confident about taking. tackling. Before you make your final decision, however, you will want to make sure that you determine how much money you have the potential to make money. You can start your search on ClickBank, one of the largest online retailer of digital lifestyle product, or Amazon. Browser throws the top product in your specific niche category. If you are not able to find any product or offer, that's a bad sign. It might mean that no one has been able to more monetize the niche. However, if your quick search of the site run of a decent number of items without having any overabundance of the product, then you are lucky. Take the time during this process to make a note of the price point of the product, so that when you are ready to enter the market, you will be able to price your one product or service competitively. You also want to keep in mind that you don't have to start your online business with your one product or service. You can choose to work with other product creators, advertisers, and site owner in your niche to start generating commissioners as an affiliate markets while you work on creating your one unique niche solutions. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money online in a niche while you are working on developing your one product or service. The idea behind affiliate marketing is that you market and advertise a company's product on your website and get paid a commission when your target audience purchase the item through a link on your site. It is quick and easy way to get your one business up and running. 5. Explore the audience potential. To determine how popular your niche idea are, you need to look at the internet and social media traffic that surround your niche idea. If you can uncover substantial search engine traffic and social media groups surrounding the niche, then you can confirm that there is an audience for your niche idea. Start by using Google Ads keyword tool to determine the number of search that are being conduct, conducted of specific keyword in your niche. Google will show you research volume for related terms, which can be incredibly helpful in spotting popular topic and product within your niche. Google will even provide you with a competitive outlook for each word you search. Google Trend is another great tool you can use to help you find your niche. It is a fast and free way for you to check the trending popularity of niche product and topic. You can quickly see if the target audience is constant trending up or down, or if it is seasonal. You can also use your niche keyword to find related groups on your social media accounts. The number of groups, members, and post and page followers that you can find on this site will help you determine how broad and active the audience is for various niche ideas. When done right, social media marketing is an incredibly useful and low cost strategy for deciding if your niche idea is a viable, as well as marketing your product and service. Once you have stable established niche marketing, you are going to conclusion. Once you have successfully confirmed the viability of your niche idea, you can start develop your website and determining the product or service that you are going to sell. While there isn't a perfect process for finding a profitable niche, you want to be sure to be your homework and make sure that you won't be wasting your time, money, and effort developing a niche that won't be profitable. Finding a niche market is the secret to online business success. Learning how to find a profitable niche will take some time and effort, but will worth it in the end when you start to make money online. Once you completed your research, you will know which of your niche market idea has the most potential to be profitable, and you can start taking the necessary step to get your business off and running. Keep these 5 secrets to find a lucrative niche market in mind, and you will soon be enjoy the success for being a profitable online business owner.